Today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover 3.0 P550e 38.2kWh Autobiography, which is a petrol plug-in hybrid and finished in Charente Grey. To start off with, then you have your digital LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with keyless entry, which allows you to both lock and unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. You also have an electronic deployable tow bar, allowing you to tow things such as a trailer, caravan or perhaps even a jet ski. Moving through the rear, you can see passengers have access to a rear climate control, and you can also find the ebony leather upholstery, ensuring passengers travel in comfort. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan around you can see that lovely leather upholstery once again, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats are electronically adjustable and the driver's seat is a memory seat, so once you've found a comfortable position you are able to save it as it is a memory seat. You also have the upgraded Meridian signature sound system, enhancing your listening experience on any journey you may take. On your leather multifunctional steering wheel, you have options such as your hands-free, volume controls, cruise control. Your steering wheel is also heated. Taking a look at your digital cockpit, you were able to see that this vehicle has done 12 miles. As it is digital, you can easily personalise the information panel. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need, including a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. This car does support Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and along with this you have your tow bar, which allows you to easily stow away or deploy the tow bar while sat in the driver's seat. Along with this you also have your wade sensing, ideal if you decide to take your vehicle off-roading. Along with wade sensing you have your terrain response modes, so once again if you're off-roading you can pick a different driving mode, ensuring you always stay safe. You also have park assist, making manoeuvring in and out of those difficult parking spaces even easier. To go hand in hand with this, you also have 360 view cameras, which not only gives you a bird's eye view of the car, but allows you to see almost every angle of the car, making manoeuvring so much easier. You also have dual zone climate control, so both you and your passenger travelling in the front can be kept at comfortable temperatures. And along with this you also have both heated and cooling seats.